reveals. Time to reveal more packs. This set is the legendary Pokemon Forces of Nature GX Premium collection. Looks like it has a pin and a coin of, let's see, Landorus. Let's open and see what we are going to pull today. So first, we're going to be opening this parts first. So let's get the pin. So put it right here. And the coin, we take that out and put it with the pen. And now time to open the Sun and Moon Forbidden Light. Let's open this up.
Charizard,
Charizard, Charizard, Charizard, Charizard, Charizard, Charizard, Charizard, Charizard. Let's open this. That's crazy. So we got Helipite, 60 HP, gone 10 damage to its opponent. Tail Whop is 20 damage to its opponent. Oh. And we got Flay B, 30 HP. Ben Asile, 70 HP. Magmite, 60 HP. Cubone, 60 HP. Oh my god, that looks really cool. It's reflectable. Let's see. Zerkit Tree, 120 HP. Rotom, 70 HP. Water Energy Pole, 70 HP. Halacha, 80 HP. And another energy. And then those redeems. Time to open the Sun and Moon Forbidden Light. Time to open this. One of those same things again. It's like so hard to open Pokemon. It's like it's so glued to it. You know what I mean? Alright, so let's see what we got. Forfu, 90 HP. Skiddo, 70 HP. Gumi, 50 HP. Fenkin, 70 HP. Inkay, 60 HP. And a trainer. It's one of those rainbow ways. And Zigguard, 130 HP. That's not bad. It looks cool. Energy. And then we got Spa, 70 HP. Airs F, 60 HP. And Trainer, Mysterious Treasure. And then last we just got the redeems. Last pack I'm going to open today on Roman's Reviews. Which one should I choose? I'm gonna think the one with the Pikachu, which is the Evolution. Start opening. So right now we have got Energy, the fat, funny looking Pikachu from the last scene, Grow-Eyed, 70 HP, Machop, 70 HP, Nardorn, level 20, level 60 HP, Rainbow edition of Trainer, Whoa, Mewtwo EX, 188 HP. And we have got Power Roll, level 28, 80 HP. This is a Poliwhirl. And a trainer called Mancy, I think. And we have got Hunter, level 22, 70 HP. And then the redeems. These are my favorites that I pulled from my packs today. Also, these 2 GX cards right here. This one is Thunduras. It's a GX, 180 HP, and then Tornadus GX, and HP is 180. So we're gonna put them in the favorite spot. And this one is also the really cool one, the 500. And this one takes 1,000 damage on its opponent. This one's the strongest one I've ever saw in my life. Now I need to put together my new collection in my binder. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, Roman's Reveals. Bye for now. Roman's Reveals out. Yeah, yee! Tune in tomorrow for the reveal of the remaining legendary Pokemon Forces of Nature GX booster packs.